my guy, like, I just want to be on YouTube. We keep dying. We ain't getting clear footage. We getting a piece of shit iPhone right here, the crack shit. Oh my god. My car won't start. I just want to be fast.
For only $1 a day, you can help this young
I'm
fella.
gonna start a GoFundMe.
So please, dial at 1-800-444-4444.
Help me, I'm poor.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Bondo, back at it again with another video. Welcome back to another episode of CT Drag. So today, we actually got a package in the mail today. I had already taken it out the box. And I'll show you what it is now. Alright, so we got ourselves, I forget the style, I think it's like a KS style, or style KS or whatever. It's eBay. I've always wanted to try this lip and I've never done it before. I didn't really like it. On this car, I want to do a lot of different things that I usually don't do. Or shit that I don't think I'm going to like. And actually doing them. So this front lip is one of them. So I'm going to jack up the car, take the bumper off so we could actually put the lip on. And I think that side's going to be a problem because of the way that it goes in. Unless that shit's going to hold it out. Well, anyways, let's just get straight into it. Alright, so the car's in the air. I'm gonna set you guys up so you can actually see us do it. Or actually, I think I'm gonna mount it on the bumper before I actually mount it onto this. Or actually, what do you think? Just put it on while it's on? Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. So, I'll set you guys up. Oh, that shit's gonna look dope. Alright guys, so this is the front lip outside of the box. That shit looks sick. I think I'm gonna like it. Hopefully it mounts up good. But let's start on this side. Or let's start mounting it, period. Sheesh, man, this thing's freaking good. Oh, it looks so dope with the the body lines just go perfect.
Stack of pancakes for 99 cents.
This is dope. Oh, it looks so good. Now I gotta get more things for the front end, and I definitely gotta get a hood. So we'll do that soon. Well, alright guys, I also forgot to mention that I got the washer kit also.
Washer kit?
Or not the washer kit, the dress up kit for the engine bay. So we're gonna put those on. I'm probably gonna show you after I'm done because the camera's dying, or I'll throw a little footage in there.
Yeah, but it's
Alright guys, so the camera died, so I'm recording with my phone right now. So we got the dress up kit going. And it actually looks really good, and it's gonna look better when I paint the engine bay. And I add the carbon fiber parts that I want to get. The only thing that I don't like is that fuse box and that battery. So I'm probably gonna start messing with that. And I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. Alright guys, so messing around with this, I actually ended up tucking the fuse box behind the dash. And I took out the battery for right now because I actually do have a battery relocation kit, so I can extend them and run them to the battery. So I'll probably end up doing that in the next episode. But on that note, have a good one. Have a good night. I'm tired. Peace.